Tim mar Nakuru Hawks ong'ado otiko mag nus finals e tielo mar ariyo mag tuke as Basketball Cup. Hawks nolo tim mar Longhorns points 82 kuom 62 e quarter finals manobagi alap manyawo basketball court. Tim mar Dementors basketball bende nolo tim mar Bounce Forward points 65 kuom 62 kendo ng'ado otiko mag nus finals. Dementors noloyo quarter mokwongo points 15 kuom 10 kapok tim mar Bounce Forward loyo quarter mar ariyo points 13 kuom 16. Dementors noloyo quarter mar adek points 14 kuom 6 kapok giloyo quarter mogik point 23 kuom 20. E kidieny mar wakeni tim mar Starlets nolo tim mar Shooting Stars points 63 kuom 31 e kinde ma Juba Starlets nolo tim mar Juniben Queens points 55 kuom 53. Timbe ma ong'ado otiko manus finals biro rakore kiny kapok finals bagi alap makasarani indoors dakika 18.
Brought in the game defensively, we played very tough. We made a couple of stops. We made a couple of layups on the other side. Our defense brought us back in the game, allowed us to run for transition points. That is why we won the game. And our rebounding was big in the fourth quarter.
Our next plan is we are going to be doing it quarterly. And it will include all East Africa, anywhere there is South Sudanese. And of course, we'll always incorporate our host countries. So we are having it here now. Next year, we'll be doing it quarterly. We'll have Uganda, we'll have Juba, South Sudan itself, we'll have Rwanda, we'll have Tanzania, and Kenya, of course. So it's an East African thing.